Right, let's get back to the quadratic number pattern. We've got the quadratic number pattern 2, 12, 28, 50. To extend it by 2 terms, we go from 2 to get to 12, we said plus 10. We say plus 10 because 2 plus 10 will give me 12. 12 to get to 28, 16. 28 to get to 50, it's 22. So it's 12 minus 2 to give me 10. 28 minus 12 to give me 16. 50 minus 28 to give me 22. So you can see there's no first difference. The first difference is all different. 10, 16, 22, the values are all different. Let's now go on to our second line. 16 minus 10 is 6. 22 minus 16 is 6. So we can see that it's got a common second difference. It's got a common second difference. That's why it is quadratic. Quadratic number pattern, we put a square. We put a square sign there. Why? Because it's got a common second difference. And we know that the general expression for a quadratic number pattern, let's put it here on the top, Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Remember, we need to find a, b, and c. It's like a quadratic equation where you had ax squared plus bx plus c or ax squared plus px plus q. This is exactly the same, an squared plus bn plus c. We're solving for a, we're solving for b, and we're solving for c. Okay, back to our problem. So there we go. We've got our 12 minus 2 to give me 10, 28 minus 12 to give me 16, 50 minus 28 to give me 22. 16 minus 10 to give me 6, 22 minus 16 to give me 6. So obviously we now need to extend the pattern by 2 terms. So you start from the bottom up. So let's go. 22 plus 6. Remember, plus 6 plus 6. 22 plus 6, 28. 50 plus 28, 78. There we go. We've extended by 1 more term. We want to extend by 1 more term. So 28 plus 6, 34. 78 plus 34, 112. So there we go. We've answered the first question, boys and girls. We've answered the first question. Extend the pattern by 2 terms. There we go, 78 and 112. The answer to question number 1, you will just write 78 and 112. No need to show the diagram, but very imperative that you do the diagram. You've got to complete it. You've got to complete it, and once you've completed it, you just put your 2 final solutions there, which is 78 and 112, and boys and girls, you'll get your first 3 marks. Find Tn, the general expression. So now we're answering question number 2. Now, whenever we have second difference, whenever we have a common second difference, we've got 3 formula. Right? There's many ways in which it can be done. Sometimes your teachers will show you by hectic simultaneous equations where it can be over a page of calculation. Okay, I'm going to show you the shortest possible way in which you can solve for a, b, and c. Now there are 3 formulas for solving for a, b, and c. We start off at the bottom. 2a is equal to your second difference. On your second line, you've got 3a plus b equals your first difference. And on your first line, you're going to say a plus b plus c is equal to your first term. So don't ask me where you get these formulas from. Just learn them. 2a, 3a plus b plus c. 2a, 3a plus b plus c. So 2a is equal to your second difference. 3a plus b is equal to your first difference. A plus b plus c is equal to your first term. And start solving from the bottom up. So let's start. Remember, we said from the bottom up. So here's your first equation. 2a is equal to 6. 2a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 over 2 is 3. Now we go to our second line. 3a plus b is equal to 10. We've got a, 3. So it's 3 into 3 plus b is equal to 10. 9 plus b is equal to 10. b is equal to 10 minus 9, which is 1. We now go on to our first line, which is a plus b plus c. We got a plus b plus c is equal to 2. We've got a, 3. We've got b, c, 1 plus c is equal to 2. c is equal to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. There we go, boys and girls. We're now going to cut for an ad break. But before we go there, what I'd like you to do, I'd like you to copy and paste this model down. So now we've got Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. which is equal to, we've got a 3n squared plus bn plus 1n minus 2. That's your C value. And there we go, that's your general expression. Boys and girls, we're going to cut for an ad break. After the ad break, we're going to come back. I want you to continue, and I want you to go and find the 20th term. Answer question number 3, and I'll give you the solution as soon as we get back.